You can watch more fun cartoons from CBeebies on BBC iPlayer.
Betty, isn't it time for... Duggee!
Woof!
Duggee and the recipe badge. Hello, Squirrels. What are you doing?
We're hungry. Duggee! Duggee! We're hungry.
Woof, woof, woof.
Yes, sounds like you need something to eat.
But what?
Well, luckily, Duggie's been reading his recipe book. The Clubhouse Kitchen. Tasty bites for hungry squirrels.
But what is a recipe?
A recipe tells you how to cook food.
What food?
Well, you can decide, Squirrels.
Woof.
Maybe the Hedgley Bake recipe.
Inspired by me.
A nut roast topped with carrot spikes and leafy trimmings, slowly cooked over 4 hours.
4 hours? That's ages!
I like to take things slow.
Maybe something quicker then, like cheetah toast made with hummus and raisins.
Fastest recipe in the world, don't you know, eh?
Raisins get stuck in my teeth.
Well, what about a veggie bee, an amuse-bouche of finely cut carrots and black olives?
I think I need something bigger.
Oui, that recipe is a petit morceau. They might need something more substantial.
A woof.
Then how about le crabe au fruits?
Nigel, look, they're talking about us.
Is it made out of real crab?
Woof, woof.
No, it's just made of fruit to look like a crab.
Well, that's a relief.
But we don't know how to do a recipe.
Don't worry, Duggee can help you, because he has his recipe badge.
Yay!
To make a recipe,
Woof.
you have to follow the steps in the book.
Oh, how exciting, Nigel.
Step 1. Get your ingredients. 1 watermelon, 1 banana, 1 strawberry, a breadstick, 1 red pepper, and blueberries.
Why will they need blueberries, Nigel? How intriguing.
Step 2.
Woof.
We prepare the ingredients. First, slice the watermelon.
Watermelon? What for, I wonder?
Next, cut across the half watermelon, like so. This will be the crab's body.
Oh, it must be your body, Nigel. Just the right color. Woof.
Now slice the pepper into thin strips. They will be the arms. Break up the breadstick for legs.
Woof.
Now we need to cut the strawberry in half for the crab's claws. And then we need to peel a banana and slice it 3 times. Then cut one of them in half for the smile.
And what a smile. Oh, there it is.
Use the other 2 slices of banana for the eyes. And lastly, 2 blueberries for the pupils.
Oh, it looks just like you, Nigel. But what about me?
Can we make John the crab now?
Woof, woof.
Yes, you just need to swap the watermelon for a pineapple. And then follow the recipe again.
Step 1. Get the ingredients! Yay!
They're going to make me, Nigel. Me!
Got them!
And step 2,
Prepare the ingredients! Yay!
I think some adult supervision is required here,
All of this reminds me of when I ran my own kitchen, Nigel.
Le
Crabbe, a 4-star fish-winning restaurant. La Poire Solitaire, on a bed of précis sponge. Some of my finest work. And serving that to a very special customer changed my life forever.
Finish, Duggee!
Very good. Now all your preparation is done. You just need to do step 3.
Put it together! Pineapple! Carrot tops! Red sticklets! Rolling! You bit one of them! Orange claws! Banana slices! And blueberries!
Oh, will this be the perfect portrait of moi, Nigel?
Now, everyone, how did you get on?
Duggee made Nigel the crab! And we made John the crab!
Oh, I don't think they've captured my best side, Nigel.
Now, Squirrels, the best part of a recipe is...
Eating it!
Cover your eyes, Nigel. This won't be pretty.
Haven't the squirrels done well today, Duggee?
Woof!
Well done, Squirrels. You've earned your recipe badge.
Yay!
Ah, and here are your parents. Just time for one more thing.
Duggee hug!
Oh.
Duggee hug. We got our recipe badges! Oh.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Le Poire Solitaire, Duggee? Nom, nom, nom.
You can watch more fun cartoons from CBeebies on BBC iPlayer.